Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn with Crown Tech. Are you a WordPress beginner or a tech lover, or probably this is your first time you are coming across my video on my YouTube channel? Here at Learn with Crown Tech, we post relevant videos about tech and also how to design websites, especially making use of WordPress. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can easily embed or integrate Instagram feed into your WordPress website. So if these are what you love to watch, subscribe to my YouTube channel and also hit the bell icon. Just come to this place where you have the subscribe button, click on the subscribe button. It will say you have subscribed, and you can also click on this all in order to turn on the bell icon so that you can get notified anytime we post relevant video like this. So in today's video, without taking much of our time, I'm going to be showing you how you can easily embed Instagram feed or integrate Instagram feed into your WordPress website. Without taking much of our time, let's go ahead to our WordPress dashboard. So if this is your first time, you know how you can log into your WordPress dashboard. Just enter your domain name and put /WP admins. The way I have it like this, you can see. So let me enter my own so that you can see how you can log in. So I'm going to be using this as a case study. So can you see? So this is what we have. So wait for it to load because of the this is our WordPress login page. I'm going to log in with my username and password. Then I'll log in. So now here is our dashboard. Here is our dashboard. So all you need to do is just follow the step-by-step procedure I'm going to be showing you. So first thing, we need to install a plugin that we are going to use. So this is a demo e-commerce website I created. So before we proceed, if you need a website for your business, maybe you need a blog, you need an e-commerce website, you need a VCU website, I'll be dropping uh the link on how to contact me in the description of this video. You can easily send me a message, you can easily send me a DM, and I'm going to show you some demo and we can proceed from there. So let's move ahead. Let's move forward. So the first thing you need to do, you need to install a particular plugin in order to get this done easily. So I'm going to click on install, I'll click on add plugin in order to add the plugin. So I'll search for Smash Balloon. Can you say Smash Balloon? So let me search it again. Not this. Okay, let me come here. Okay, exactly this is what we have, the Smash Balloon. So you can see. It says it's already active, so you can see we already have it. It is active. So I'll come to installed plugin. So to see if it is truly active, so you can see You can see here, so you can upgrade to the pro version. You have to, you have to make payment before you upgrade to the pro version. So but if you don't want to upgrade to the pro version, you can use the free one like that. So after we have it that is active, just come here, you see Instagram feed, click on Instagram feed, click on settings. So after coming to the Instagram feed and going to the settings, take us to this place. Just remove this and you scroll down and see manage sources. Click on add sources. So you need to connect your account from your Instagram. So you click on connect, then connect Instagram. So you have to connect your Instagram. So here is my own Instagram. So I have to log in. So let me do this. Okay. So let me try to recover the account. So I forgot my login, so I'll try to recover the account before I can proceed. So I've tried to log in using my Facebook account, so I'll click on login. This is the one I want to connect to it. So let me enter the. So I've logged into my Instagram. It says Smash Balloon Business ID is requesting access to your username. If you select allow, we'll be able to view profile and access media. So I'll click on allow. So you can see the process. From my WordPress dashboard, I click on connect to Instagram, and from there it take me to my Instagram. So I was able to log in, then I give it access. So just watch the video again if should in case you don't understand the process. So I'm going to continue. So let it allow it to load. So we have successfully connected it. We have connected it. Can you see? So we don't need all this. So click on save changes. After saving it, you come here, then you click on setup or click on all feeds. Then we can edit this. So this is the feed we want to edit. So there are a lot of things. We have customize, we have settings. So you can go through all this. It's very simple. So if you are using the free version, the layout can only be in grid format. Can you see? Then the height, you enter it in pixel, and if it is desktop, you can leave it in. You can change this to 4. You can also change this to 4, or let's say 2. You can put this at 2. Then the mobile should be at 1. So you can save it. That has been saved. The color, we can have light, we have dark, we have custom, and you can also have inherit from theme. So that's okay depending on what you want. So we have the header. So you can actually show a custom text on the header. You type it here. So you can say something like my Instagram feed or something, just to put something, but the header is not enabled. I can enable the header and I can disable the header. Then we have load more button, so you can enable it and you can disable it. And also you can, when you can change the text load more. photo. So you can make it like that. Then I'll go back, follow button, follow. Can you see? So you can customize it to what you want. So we have light boss. This light boss is for pro version, so we cannot use the light boss. So when you are through, just click on save, and you can click on this embed to in order to what, in order to copy the code, the embed code. You can copy it, and I'll show you another way for you to add it to your page. So once you are done, once you have saved it, so you are good to go. But all this we are doing, you can put your, if you are using your phone, you can put it on desktop mode in order to see it. So since my phone is on desktop mode, can you see? So this is what we are having. This is what I've been doing since. So this is the grid version and everything. So you can see. So if I come to settings, if I click on socks, I'll click on this. So I don't have any photo for now. So I don't have any photo for now. So I think that's why it's not showing. So I'll click on this. So this is the source. I've connected it. I can add, let me click on add another source. Let me see. Okay, this was where the mistake was. So when I click on all feed, it took me to this place. So I was editing this good 10 type trx. So instead I need to add a new feed. Then I'll select user timeline, then I'll click on next, then I'll select the source I just added. I added a source, that is my Instagram source. So one good thing about this plugin is that you can add feed from your Facebook, you can add Twitter feed, you can add YouTube feed, as well as you can also add TikTok feed. But now we are making use of Instagram, so I have to add the new source. Then I'll click on next. So after clicking on next, we allow it to load. So let us give it time to load. So still waiting for it to load. So it has loaded up, and you can see it's load up our feed. Can you see? So these are all the picture I have on my Instagram on under this Crown Tech 101. So I can easily edit it. This one is constant. The color, I can change it to light color, dark color. So when I change it to dark, can you see it change? I can change it to custom. I can say inherit from theme. So the theme is a white theme, so that is why it's showing. So if the theme is a dark theme, then it will show dark when you pick inherit from theme. So I think that's okay, and I can use the dark one. I think I prefer that. So then the load more button, I can say load more photo like I did then. So you can see we are doing that again. So can you see it's showing load more photo, and follow button, I can say follow on Instagram or follow Crown Tech 101. So can you see? So, and also I can change the color, the background color, I can change it to red or to black. Can you see? So you can do all that. So once you are done, click on save. So that is how to add Instagram feed. Just go back to the video from the beginning, watch it again, because the network was very bad. So we are just breaking and continue. We are breaking and continue. So after clicking on save, you have saved your feed. You can now go ahead to add the feed, to embed it into any of the page you want to embed it to. So it's taking time to load. We have to save it before we continue. So it has been saved. So to embed it to any page, click on page, click on add page. That's, you want to add a new page, and you can also add it to an existing page. It's very simple. So click on add page. It will load up for us. Click on next. So I'll add the title of the page. I can say Instagram feeds. Then I'll put in bracket Crown Tech. So you can give it any name depending on what you want. Then I'll click on this plus button. In order to add the Instagram feed, I'll search for Instagram. So can you see I already have it, Instagram feed. I'll click on Instagram feed. So once I click on Instagram feed, mm, so I think I already added it in 3 places. So I'm going to delete one. I'm going to delete 3, then I'll I'll publish it. Delete. I'll delete this also. So I only have one. Then I'll click on publish. I'll click on publish. So you can use your phone to do this, and you can use your laptop to do this. Without wasting much of our time, I believe you find value from the video you are just watching. And if you find value from the video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Click on the bell icon in order to get notified anytime I post valuable video like this. And also don't forget, if you are interested in creating a website for your business, I can as well do that for you. Just click on the link on the description of this video and it will take you to my DM. So after that, we can click on view page after publishing it. Can you see? So it's going to show. He said there is no connected account for user blah blah blah. So we can actually fix that. So a connected account related to the user is required to display user feed. Please connect to an account for the user plugin. So we need to do that from the plugin setting page. So that can be done easily. You can see the button is already here, follow Crown Tech. So that's how to your WordPress account. So if you have any question or if you have any video you want me to do, drop it in the comment section. See you in the next video. Thank you. My name is Daniel. Welcome to Learn with Crown Tech.